2 दिवसांपूर्वी सरकारी नोकर भरतीच्या मुद्द्यावरून सरकारला खडे बोल सुनावणाऱ्या उपसभापती मायकल लोबो यांनी पुन्हा बेरोजगारीच्या मुद्द्यावर चिंता व्यक्त केली. क्रिएटिंग जॉब क्रिएटर्स आणि कळंगूट पंचायतीच्या सहकार्यानं कळंगूट इथं 5 दिवसांची एस्पिरियन एंटरप्रेनर्स कार्यशाळेचं आयोजन करण्यात आले. या कार्यशाळेच्या उद्घाटन प्रसंगी उपसभापती मायकल लोबो बोलत होते. गोव्यातील युवक नोकऱ्यांच्या प्रतीक्षेत आहेत, मात्र त्यांना अपेक्षित मिळकत मिळत नसल्यानं कमी पगारात समाधान मानावं लागत आहे, असं मत लोबो यांनी यावेळी व्यक्त केलं. त्याचबरोबर स्वतःच्या यशस्वी उद्योगाबद्दल त्यांनी अनुभव कथन देखील केले.
तुम्ही सगळे जे एंटरप्रेनर जावपाक केले हा ऑलरेडी तुम्ही दाखले बिझनेस स्टार्ट केला आणि ते पुढे व्हरूंक शकता. प्रेस मीडिया चड खुशी भोगली आयज या प्रोग्रामात भाग घेवपाक. And I remember my young days when I started business at a very young age of 17, and it was very challenging then. आता रिसोर्सेस खूप बिझनेसाक नई नावां दिल्ली हा स्टार्टअप ना थोडे जाण म्हाका स्टार्टअप म्हणजे पयलीं म्हाका खबर नासलें स्टार्टअप म्हणजे. सो वी कॉल इट सिंपल एंटरप्रेनर. उद्योग स्टार्ट करता पण बारीक धंदो स्टार्ट करूंक शकता. आणि म्हाका दिसता इंडियेक जर तर फुडें वतलो जाल्यार एंटरप्रेनर्स वाडोवचे पडटले. आणि एंटरप्रेनर्स वाडयता आसतना काळजी घेवची पडटली की दे आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट जॉब्स फॉर अदर्स. जॉब्साचेर कालूच पयरूच व्हडलो बोबाद जाला. 2 वर्सां हांवें म्हटलें 2 वर्सां जाली गव्हर्मेंटान जॉब क्रिएट करता. देर आर वेरियस रिजन्स फॉर इट. आनी आमचे भुरगे यूथ सगळे रावले की आमकां जॉब मेळटलो. आनी mentality of our Goan youth have also gone to that level that amka shikla upran, like when once you become a graduate they say that we want a job, amka clerkacho job upkarta, because they think that amka 20,000 मेळ्ळो जाल्यार आपले घर चलतले. So their thinking level is also gone down. शिकोन आवय बापूय शिकयता भुरग्याक की आपलो भुरगो व्हडलो जावन कितें तरी जातलो. आमकां सगळेच भुरगे youth will become businessmen. They will also work for somebody. Some will become businessmen, some will become professionals like doctor, lawyer, chartered accountant, etc. Some will go to some other country and work in a different field as a mechanical engineer, as a consultant. खूप भाशेचे म्हाका दिसता काम आहा. आनी हे वेगवेगळे कामांनी जो तर रायट गायडन्स दीत म्हाका दिसता हिंगा आय क्रिएट जे हिंगासर कीनोट स्पीकर्स येयल्ले आहा आयज तुमकां एड्रेस करपाक, तुमचे तोकलेन घालपाक. म्हाका दिसता मिडियाच्या वाटेनसून दीस शूड गो ऑल ओव्हर गोवा. This program should be showed all over Goa, and more awareness needs to be created. And if you all can go to some other places, I am talking about places which are, this is the coastal belt of Goa. हिंगासर आमचे खूपशे जे लोक आहा तेंका आमी फुडें सर म्हणून सांगले की तुमी बिझनेसमॅन जाय. खूपशे घरांनी आयज गॅस हावजां जाली. माझ्या टेन्युअरान फ्रॉम 2012 टिल टुडे म्हाका दिसता अराउंड 30% जे लोक बेश्टे चिंताले की आपलो एकूच रूम हा पुरो आपल्याक. एक ट्युरिस्ट येता नोव्हेंबरान तो जानेवारी पासून वयता. ते लोकांनी आयज 15 रूम बांदले. 15 रूम्स दे हॅव बिल्ट इन देयर ओन हाऊस. दे आर स्टेइंग ऑन द ग्राउंड फ्लोर प्लस 2 more floors they have built, and they have become a businessman today. They are self-employed and they are also employing other people. कोणाक तरी रिसेप्शनिस्ट म्हणून कामाक दवरला, कोणाक रूम बॉयज कामाक दवरला, बाकीचे कोणाक गार्डनर कामाक दवरला, त्यांनी स्विमिंग पूल बांधला. इट्स अ व्हेरी गुड थिंग. Some people have started restaurants, some people have started shops, some people have started a wholesale business. So in this coastal belt of North Goa, a lot of Goan youth have got self-employed. There are still few who have the resource म्हणजे त्यांच्याकडे जागा आणि ते कोणीतरी फाटी शकतात. तेंका तुमची गरज आहे. They require your support. They require the panchayat support. All the members who are here, they have to see that तेंका तुम्ही फुडे काढपाक जाय. या लोकांक त्यांचं जागो हा 500 मीटर हा त्यांचे घर आणि काहीच ना. त्यांनी एक टॅक्सी काढला आणि कोणाक तरी भाड्याक दिल्या म्हणजे एक पण ड्रायव्हर येता आणि he is driving it. But they can make use of that property. 500 square meters you can come up with 20 rooms. And still they can stay over there in their part of the house and remaining 20 rooms can be. या हाती जो कितें लोन लागता तो बँकेन सपोर्ट करपाक जाय. And banks are ready to give in this coastal belt because they know that Kalangut Kandoling Baga is a hot tourist destination. And all tourists come over here first. Or even if they stay beyond Kalangut, they come here to see Kalangut or they come and stay for a day or 2 days. And guest houses today are hot selling. Like, सगळ्या गोयला थिंगा एक बोर्ड दिसता आमकां ओयो म्हणून. जे आमचे local लोक आहा तेंच्यांनी टाय अप केल्ले आहा ओयो. And people are coming. It's a good thing. So on daily basis they are getting money. So they become businessmen on their own. They can file their returns in the income tax, whatever GST they have to pay, they can pay, and they stand on their own feet. And there are a lot of youth from this belt. Their parents are today very proud, and they say that we are standing on our own feet. And this is what we have to do beyond this belt. Like my village, Parra. There are so many tourists coming that sometimes you don't get rooms. And the tourists have to forcefully go and stay at Maksa or beyond Maksa. So Parra village, Arpara Nagwa village, Saligaon village, we can turn into homestay destination. Homestay, like somebody wants to come and stay for a week in Goa. They want a small budget, master budget Sudeza. So they want something for 800 rupees, so they can stay for 800 rupees. Somebody wants to, 4 ladies can get together and start something to mix something like eatables and sell to these places. Somebody can say that, okay, I will give you breakfast. Ata konache 15 room aha, te breakfast korina. We have only want to give the rooms on rent. So they want breakfast. So ladies can get together in Kalangut and make breakfast every morning and serve that guest with a buffet breakfast for the 15 rooms. So this type of businesses can start up in this the coastal belt and beyond the coastal belt. So I remember my days when I struggled my first business and I used to sell clay items, मातयेची वस्तू. फॉरेनरांक तेन्ना खूब लागले, तेन्ना फॉरेनर खूब आसले गोंयांत येताले. आनी आमी मातयेची वस्तू जिंगा बिचोले करताले थिंगासून हाडून विकप ह्या कोस्टल बेल्टान. आनी खुबशीं हॉटेलां आमचे घेताले आनी गेस्टाय घेताले, आमी एक्झिबिशन्स घालताले. I struggled for 3 years in that business. And I started my own unit also in Parra village. I brought people from Bicholi, gave them rooms to stay in Parra, and we were manufacturing in Parra. And I came up in that business. 3 years of struggle and I came up. Then I ventured into many other businesses because at the young age of 13 I started working in a hotel industry. And I had experience of 4 years in the hotel industry. 13 till 17. Till 18 I was working when I started my business. So I had hotel industry line, I knew it by heart. And these jenna I was line shiklaro, they lining I Puttun Bikal Sarla, starting a restaurant in Anjuna. And we have now so many other restaurants which I have started in this coastal belt. I started my rooms also, a hotel. Then now in Parra village we are starting a model to show the other people, another 15 days or 20 days or 1 month, it will be ready. Homestay, like a small guest house, it's called a homestay, where the guests can make their own breakfast, come down and make their own breakfast. Whatever they want, they have to tell, we'll keep everything ready in a small kitchen counter. They'll come and fry their own omelets and eat. they will have to pay whatever is the cost, but the room is chargeable. Breakfast, whatever is the cost, we will charge them, but they can make coffee, tea, omelette, something which is different, a concept is different, but still they are feeling at home. So Rumansun bayar gelo small coffee shapan gelo tithun tuve own breakfast kelo ani hallo. Somebody will be there to assist. So we want our local people to start this business and stand on their own feet. Because it will be very difficult in the near future that government will create jobs and give. But I say, आमचं demand आलं 2 दिवस पहिलीपासून की lot of youth are unemployed. There are vacancies in the government which has to be published. And we still stand by it, and we hope that the Honorable Chief Minister will immediately release this job, which he has told me yesterday. कि अपन release करता हूँ job. Goa police is short of nearly more than 1,300 policemen, 1,400. So all these vacancies have to be filled. We want our youth not to loiter around here and there, remain unemployed. मैं सोए जाता देखा, unemployed रावलो मुंशक सोए जाता. घरा लगी आवोई मिसुन तरी काम करून कोणाच्या घरान हाडून आमका जेवण दितली. ती सोय जावंक पारना. You have to stand on your own feet. Own feet is either work for somebody or you get self-employed. And when you are getting self-employment, म्हाका दिसता खूपशे अडचणी येता. Like the way I struggled. My first loan in my life was 15,000 rupees from a nationalized bank. And ते 15,000 म्हाका मेळपाक आका 1 वर्स रावचो पडलो, म्हणजे 18 वर्सां जावची पडटा. आणि ते 1 वर्स म्हाका स्ट्रगल करचें पडलें म्हाका पयशे नासले. त्या टायमार 15,000 was a big loan for me for clay items, to purchase clay items. But it was very difficult then. Because banks were easily not giving the loan. I had to give 2 guarantors. And the 15,000 जो कोण guarantor म्हाका रावपाक लागलो तो पयलो भियेलो. मागीर एक कोण बायल म्हाका हांवें तिका सांगलें हांव कितें करता ती येयली आनी सायन मारली म्हाका. I am very grateful to that lady. She is still alive. And I started my business. It took a lot of time for my business to get totally established. It took around 9 years. Easily जायना. पहिले वागे easy दिसता. आता थोडी resources खूप आहा. आता coastal belt resources खूप आहा. तेन्ना हांव पार्लासून business करता. So it is not easy. Even if you start today, it's not easy. पहिले मातशे त्रास जाता. You have to face that difficulty. You have to overcome that difficulty. तू फुडें वचोंक जाय, फाटी येवंक पारना. केन्ना केन्ना अशें जाता की repayment of loan becomes a problem in the off season. No, you don't worry. Good days will come. 2-3 महिने रावलो, ते लोनाची इंस्टॉलमेंट भरले, फुडें गेलो. तुजो जो सक्सेस हा, whatever you have in your mind, a dream that I will be successful, nothing is impossible. You can do it. You have to work towards it. I is unsuccessful zalo. Anita unsuccessful zalo. After 3 months again you are unsuccessful. Don't leave it. You try it again. Definitely success will come. Because you are working towards it. If you work, nothing is impossible. And all those people who believe that you will become a successful businessman, future belongs to those who believe in their dreams. If you are dreaming in the right direction and if you are working towards that direction of that you will become self-employed person, a businessman. माझे नाव आमच्या वाड्यार आसतले, विलेजीन आसतले, गोंयान आसतले as a businessman. Yes, you can do it. And if you dream big, then your dreams are fulfilled. I was dreaming at the age of 13 that I will own a Mercedes Benz one day. तेन्ना सायकलूय नासली माझ्याकडे. But at the age of 28 or 29, I bought a Mercedes. That was my dream, that I will buy a Mercedes. So I worked towards it. काम केले म्हणून सक्सेस मेळलो. आणि तुम्ही सगळी जाणां हे काम करशात आणि गोंयान जो यूथ आमचे चेडे कशी चेडवा भायर सरून एंटरप्राइज ओन घालपाक जो ती लागो म्हणजे त्यांचे मोतीन येयले की आपण उमको बिझनेस घालतलो आणि आपण वर्क आय विल वर्क टुवर्ड्स इट. नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल. I think I create India organization who are over here to guide you all and to guide the people of Goa. I thank them that they are giving this good service. They are putting in the minds of the people to become businessmen, to stand on their own feet. It's a very proud moment for us to have you over here, and the guidance what we will be giving them, they will hear it and start their own business. Not only here, I request you all to go all over Goa, especially in the rural of Goa, where a lot of people require guidance to start businesses. Thank you very much. God bless.